Good morning, thanks for tuning in to TTF. We're switching it up today. We're gonna fish near shore in some brackish water out in Kaneohe Bay. We only have 2 hours, so it's gonna be a short session. There might be some wind and some rain, but it's always interesting fishing in brackish water because you get a mix of fish species, different kinds of bait. There are some huge Samoan crabs that hang around this bridge. Big alua come into shallow waters here, so we're gonna see if we can hook up. Unfortunately, this launch doesn't open until 07 in the morning, so we got about half an hour to wait, just chilling. Russell's supposed to come through, maybe even Kevin. Well, we still got like 10 minutes before the gate opens, so we might as well cast a few times, see what happens. Got this Daiwa Salt Pro minnow that I found out in the deep, like 300 feet. I was picking up trash and then I picked up this guy, so that's my reward from last week. Just gonna check out the conditions, see how the water is. It rained a little yesterday, so it might be murky. I forgot to bring some corn for my chickens. Next time, guys, next time. Well, we got Russell launched on my pedal drive. I'm just waiting for Kevin to show up so I can help him with his new Hobie. Kevin just pulled up with his new kayak, so I'm gonna help him launch. He doesn't have a wheel cart yet, but that 360 Hobie looks good. Green camo. Hey, good morning. I'm coming. This is Kevin with his kayak. This is the maiden voyage, first time out on this 360 drive. Let's do this. That 360 drive is nice. These handles, you can use them to help you lift them out and transport. Real nice. The PA12 is definitely a lot lighter and smaller than the 14. Still has a 500-pound capacity. All these accessories you see come standard. I mean, it's a pretty penny, $4,500 plus tax. First time. Get it. Even got the flag on the bow still. There we go, beautiful morning. Kevin on his new Hobie. Last time I was out with him, he had he brought in a good Papio. I went to net it, hit it with a net, shook off the hook, and it went off into the deep. So we're gonna redeem ourselves today. Russell over there. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh yeah. Ah, nah. Got a hit, but he didn't hook up. Controlling my line. Heard my drag peel. Small guy. Probably a small papio. Yep, small papio. Let me measure him. He's 11.
What was that your jig?
Just a jig head. He bit my tail off. Something over there. Fins keep coming up. It's not sharp. It's not consistent. It looks like a feeding frenzy. Russ and I are gonna go check it out. School of Manta Rays, chilling. big boys.
That's gonna do it for a short session this morning. Thanks for tuning in to TTF. Enjoy the beautiful view as we make our way back in.